Dear students, welcome to 8th Standard Breadth Course class Mathematics. Dear students, today we will discuss about linear equations in one variables. Linear equations in one variables. Students, already you learned about linear equations in one variable in your previous year classes. Now recall those facts. We consider have passed the algebraic equation. What is algebraic equation? For example, observe here x plus 14 is equal to 20. This equation is called algebraic equation. This equation is called algebraic equation. So, algebraic equation is a mathematical statement equating two quantities. X plus 14 is one quantity, 20 is another one quantity. Therefore, we consider equation is a mathematical statement equating two quantities. Equating two quantities. Here, we consider equation definition. Equation is a formed when two expressions are equal to each other. When two expressions are equal to each other, this is called as a equation. Okay, we consider that when an equation helps us find the unknown quantities in the expressions. Equation, it is helps us to find unknown quantity in the expression. So, a simple equation or a mathematical equation is formed when two expressions are equal to each other. When an expressions having is equal to, then it is called as a equations. Here we consider that one an expression consists of two parts. One is constant, another one is variable. For example, 4, 81, 100, etc. Those are all called as a constants. X, y, p, z, etc. These are all variables. Okay, an expression consists of two parts. One is variable and constant. Here, consider, dear students, here in algebra, phrases equals variables. Variables nothing but it meaning is variation. Variation means it changes. For example, observe this example, sum of 3 and 7. It is a mathematical form is sum of 3 and 7 is 3 plus 7. It is a numerical expression. 3 plus 7 is a numerical expression. Sum of a number and 7. Sum of a number and 7. A number is considered as x plus 7. This is called as algebraic expressions. In algebraic expressions, it is containing variable. X is called as a variable. Here we called sum of a number and 7 equals to 12. That is equal to x plus 7 is equal to 12. This is called as the equation. Because, dear students, it is having the equality of two parts. This is x plus 7 is one part and 12 is another part. Therefore, the equality of two part is called a equation. Therefore, this is called as a equation. Observe that one 7 plus 3 it is called numerical expression. X plus 7 is called algebraic expression. Okay, algebraic expression is equal to 12. Sum of number and 7 equals to 12, that is x plus 7 is equal to 12. This is called as the equation. According to the definition, x plus 12 is equal to x plus 7 is equal to 12. The equality of two parts is called as a equations. Therefore, in equations, x plus 7 is equal to 12, x is called variable, plus is called operator, and 7 and 12 is called as a constant terms. 7 and 12 is called as a constant terms. Therefore, the equality of two parts is called as a questions. Therefore, 3 is added to a number gives us 10. Find the number. This is the simple equations. Observe this example. X plus 3 is equal to 10. It is the year x is called variable, 3 and 10 is called constants. Here the highest power of variable is 1. The highest power of variable is 1. Such a equations is called linear equation in one variable. Okay. After the equal to the right side is called right hand side, equal to the left side is called LHS, that is called left hand side. Linear equations in one variable or the first degree equation in one variable, it is called as a linear equations in one variable. The linear equations can be operated in two methods. One is inverse method operation, second one is transpose method operations. Okay, here we consider as what is a linear equations. Linear equations in one variable, linear equations in one variable, x plus 7 is equal to 30. This is the one example. And 7 plus 4y is equal to 19. It is another example. Here consider as x and 4y. These two are called variable. The highest power of the variable is 1. Here the highest power of y is 1. Therefore equation with the linear expressions is only one variable. Is only one variable. The linear equations having only one variable. Okay. Such a variable is called linear equation in one variable. What is a linear equation? An equation in which the highest power of the variable is 1 is called as a linear equation. In linear equations, in one variable it is containing only one variable. It is containing only one variable. The highest power is also called the degree of the equation. The highest power is also called the degree of the equation. The degree of the equation. It is called as a linear equation. Students, you understood that one? What is a linear equation? Linear equation, it is a equation in which the highest power of the variable is 1 is called linear equation. The highest power is also called the degree of the equation. The highest power is also called the degree of the equations. For observe this one, 6x minus 9 is equal to 0. Equal to 0. This is one example. You write is equal to 0. Okay. Next one is 350x plus 20 is equal to 0. 7 plus 4y is equal to 0. These are all the algebraic expression, students. Equal to 0, write this one is equal to 0. That becomes a equation. It is a correction for you. You corrected this one is equal to 0 equation. No, is not equal to 0. This is called expression. You remember this one. This is equal to 0, equal to 0, equal to 0. You do this one. After you write this one equal to 0, after this one it becomes a expressions. Otherwise it becomes expression. After the equal to 0 it becomes equation. Okay. When is equal to 0, all these expressions are called as equations. Okay, next to the solution of linear equations in one variable. Students, after we know that what is the linear equations and what is the equation and what is linear equations, example for linear equations. After this one, the linear equations can be solved in two methods. One is the inverse method, another one is transpose method. In first one is inverse method. Solve this equation 2x plus 5 is equal to 13 by inverse method. Okay, in inverse method, subtract 5 from both these sides. Subtract 5 from both these sides. Therefore, 2x plus 5 minus 5 is equal to 13 minus 5. Therefore, 2x minus 5 plus 5 cancel. You get 13 minus 5. Therefore, 2x is equal to 8. Therefore, divide both the sides by 2. Therefore, 2x by 2 is equal to 8 by 2. Therefore, 2 get cancelled. 2 1s are 2 4s are. Therefore, x is equal to 4. X is equal to 4. This is the method of inverse. In inverse method, subtracting a number on the both side, then divide by 2, then we get the solution. This method is called as a inverse method of the solution. Okay, this is called as the inverse method. Next one is transpose method. Observe the equation. X plus 3 is equal to 10. X is equal to, okay, transpose plus 3 from LHS to RHS. Plus 3 becomes minus. Okay. Observe the second example. X minus 5 is equal to 12. Okay. Transpose minus 5 to LHS to RHS, it becomes minus 5 becomes plus 5. X is equal to 12 plus 5. This is called as a transpose method. This is called as a transpose method. The addition of in the LHS transpose to the RHS, it becomes a subtract. It means plus becomes minus. Is it right? In second example, subtract transpose to the left hand side to the right hand side, it becomes add. Add means positive sign. Okay, like that. In a transpose method, the plus becomes after the transpose minus, minus becomes plus. Okay, plus becomes minus, minus becomes plus. Therefore, here observe another two examples. It is multiplication and division. Okay, 2x is equal to 14. Okay, x is equal to into multiplication. You transfer to the right side, it becomes divide. X is equal to 14 by 2. Observe that one, multiplication you transfer to division. Multiplication transfer to division. Is it understood? Okay, like that, x by 2 is equal to 7. It becomes a divide. X by 2, it becomes a divide. Divide transfer to right side, it becomes multiplication. X is equal to 7 into 2. Therefore, division transpose multiplication. Multiplication transpose division. Observe these students. It is a clue of transpose method. In transpose method, addition is transferred to LHS to RHS or RHS to LHS, it becomes subtracted. Subtracted is transferred to LHS to RHS or RHS to LHS, it becomes add. Like that, multiplication transferred to LHS to RHS or RHS to LHS, it becomes division. Division is transferred to RHS to LHS or LHS to RHS, it becomes multiplication. It becomes multiplication. Observe this one. On the basis of this, we are solve one method that is called transposing method. Solving the linear equation. 9 plus 2y is equal to 6. Therefore, 2y is equal to 6 minus 9. Transposing 9 to RHS, 2y is equal to minus 3. Okay, it becomes, observe here, plus 9, it transferred to LHS to RHS, it becomes a minus 9. Okay, transposing 9 to RHS, then it becomes a minus 9. Therefore, 2y is equal to, okay, 6 minus 9 is equal to minus 3. Okay, subtract minus 9 from plus 6, it remains minus 3. Then dividing both sides by 2, therefore y is equal to minus 3 by 2. Y is equal to minus 3 by 2. This is the solution of this equation. Therefore, y is equal to minus 3 by 2. Okay, checking that the answer is correct or wrong. The answer is correct or wrong. Therefore, checking the answer, therefore, write the equation first. 9 plus 2y is equal to 6. Put y is equal to minus 3 by 2 in this equation. Then 9 plus 2 into minus 3 by 2 is equal to 6. Therefore, 2 get cancelled. Okay, 9 minus 3 is equal to 6. Therefore, 9 minus 3 is equal to 6 is equal to 6. Therefore, LHS is equal to RHS. This answer is right. This is the method of checking the answers. It is correct or wrong. Okay, next one is, okay, that is this equation is called LHS is equal to RHS. This equation is called balancing equation. This equation is called as a balance. Becomes LHS is equal to RHS. LHS is equal to RHS. It becomes a balance. Okay, next one. Solve the equation. X plus 14 is equal to 20. For x is equal to 6, therefore x plus 14 is equal to 20. 20 is equal to 20. Therefore x is equal to 6. It is the solution of the equation. Next one is, write down, friends. Solve the equation. X plus 5 is equal to 9. Solve the equation. X plus 5 is equal to 9. It is the method of inverse. We solve this problem in the method of inverse method. Okay, in inverse method, okay, subtract plus minus subtract 5 on both sides. Therefore the given equation is x plus 5 is equal to 9. Therefore x plus 5 minus 5 is equal to 9 minus 5, because in inverse method we subtract 5 on both sides. Therefore 5 get cancelled. Okay, x is equal to 9 minus 5. Therefore x is equal to 4. X is equal to 4. This is the solution of this equation. X plus 5 is equal to 9. Okay, the problem is solve the equation. X plus 5 is equal to 9. Okay, it is in the inverse method. Okay, subtract my plus 5 on both sides. Therefore x plus 5 minus 5 is equal to 9 minus 5. Here 5 is subtracted on both sides. Therefore plus 5 minus 5 cancelled. X is equal to 9 minus 5. Therefore x is equal to 4. X is equal to 9 minus 5. Therefore x is equal to 4. X is equal to 4. Next one is, students, it is to solve the linear equation with one variable. Solve the linear equation. 5x plus 3 is equal to x plus 10. 5x plus 3 is equal to x plus 10. Here arrange the terms with variable on one side LHS. Keep the constant on the other side. You remember this one, students. In the solution of linear equation in one variable, like these problems, 5x plus 3 is equal to x plus 10. Then arrange terms with variable one side and keep the constant on the other side. Therefore, according to this one, 5x and x, these two are variables. 3 and 10 are constants. Okay, we arrange first variables on one side. Therefore 5x transpose x to the RHS to LHS, it becomes minus x is equal to 10, plus 3 transfer to LHS to RHS, it becomes minus 3. Therefore 5x minus x is equal to 10 minus 3. Therefore 5x minus x is equal to 4x. 4x is equal to 7. Therefore x is equal to 7 by 4. Therefore x is equal to 7 by 4. That is the solution. Next one is solving the linear equation with variable on both sides. Okay, 5t minus 3 is equal to 3t minus 5. According to solution of linear equation tips, we keep the variables on one side and constant on other sides. According to this one, 5t is a variable, 3t is a variable. You understood this one? 5t is a variable, 3t is a variable, minus 3 and minus 5 are constant. Therefore, we first arrange the variables on one side and constant on other sides. Therefore, we transpose plus 3t to RHS to LHS. Okay, 5t plus 3t becomes minus 3t is equal to minus 5 minus 3 becomes plus 3. That is equal to 5t minus 3t is equal to 2t. 2t is equal to 5 minus 5 plus 3 is equal to minus 2. Therefore, t is equal to minus 2 divided by 2. Okay, 2 get cancelled. That is equal to minus 1. Therefore, t is equal to minus 1. This is the solution of this linear equations. Okay, next one problem. Solve the equation 4z plus 3 is equal to 6 plus 2z. Solve the equation 4z plus 3 is equal to 6 plus 2z. According to this one, 4z and 2z are variables, 3 and 6 are constant. First, arrange the variable one side and constant other sides. According to this one, transpose rule, 4z minus plus 2z transfer to RHS to LHS, it becomes minus 2z. Therefore, 4z minus 2z is equal to 6 plus 3 becomes minus 3, 6 minus 3. Therefore, 4z minus 2z is equal to 6 minus 3. 4z minus 2z is equal to 2z is equal to 6 minus 3 is equal to 3. Therefore, z is equal to 3 by 2. This is the solution of this equation. Second one equation is solve this equation. Solve x is equal to 4 by 5 into x plus 10. Therefore, the equation is x is equal to 4 by 5 into x plus 10. Therefore, 5 is transferred, divide, it becomes a multiply. Therefore, 5 into x is equal to 4 into 10 plus x. According to this one, 5x is equal to 4 into x, 4x, plus into plus plus, 4 into 10, 410. First, we remove the bracket. Therefore, multiply on both sides. Therefore, that is equal to both x and 10. Therefore, 4x plus 40. Okay, now transfers 4x to the RHS to LHS. It become plus 4x become minus 4x. According to this one, 5x minus 4x is equal to 40. Okay, subtract 5 minus 4x from 5x. Therefore, 5x minus 4x is equal to x. X is equal to 40. X is equal to 40. This is the solution of the equation. Okay, next one equation is solve 3m is equal to 5m minus 8 by 5. Okay, that is equal to 3m is equal to 5 minus 8 by 5. Okay, therefore transpose plus 5m to the RHS to LHS. Therefore, 3m minus 5m is equal to minus 8 by 5. Therefore, minus 2m is equal to minus 8 by 5. Therefore, m is equal to minus 8 by 5 into 1 by minus 2. Okay, minus minus get cancelled. 2 1 ja, 2 4 ja. Therefore, m is equal to 4 by 5. M is equal to 4 by 5. This is the solution of this linear equation. Okay, next one is the verbal problems on linear equation. Kaurav's mother's age is 20 years older than him. Okay. 5 years ago, she was 5 times as old as Kaurav was. Find their present age. Kaurav and mother. Present age of Kaurav is x. The present age of mother is x plus 28. After 5 years, we take that one as first. Okay, x minus 5. Similarly, say mother age was x plus 28 minus 5. According to this equation, x plus 28 minus 5 is equal to 5 times. Therefore, 5 into x minus 5. Therefore, that is equal to x plus 28 minus 5 is equal to 23 is equal to 5 into x is equal to 5x plus into minus minus. Okay, 5 is a 25. Therefore, transfers to, okay, x becomes this side. Okay, 5x, it becomes 4x. That is equal to plus 48. X is equal to 48 by 4. The x is equal to 12. Therefore, Kaurav's present age is 12 years. Our mother present age is 40 years. Our mother's present age is 40 years. Next one is solve the equation x by 3 is equal to 9. Multiply both sides from 3. We get x by 3 into 3 is equal to 9 into 3. Therefore, 3 get cancelled. 3 get cancelled. Therefore, x is equal to 3 9 is 27. Therefore, x is equal to 27. This is the solution of this equation. Okay, multiply both sides from 3. We get x by 3 into 3 is equal to 9. That is equal to 9 into 3 is equal to 27. Similarly, same example 5. Solve 2x by 9 is equal to 5. We multiply both sides by the same number 9 by 2. Note this one as the same multiplying by 9, then dividing by 2. We get 2x by 9 into 9 by 2 is equal to 5 into 9 by 2. Okay, again 2 get cancelled, 9 and get cancelled. Okay, that is equal to Okay, 9 5 is the 45 by 2. Therefore, x is equal to 40 by 2 is the solution of the given equation. It is the solution of the given equations. Next one problem, students. Solve the equation 15x is equal to 120. 15x is equal to 120. This is solved by, we divide both the sides by 15. We get, okay, divide both sides by 15. We get 15x divided by 5 is equal to 120 divided by 15. Sorry, 15x divided by 15 is equal to 120 divided by 15. Okay, 15 ones are 15 ones are cancelled. Okay, 15 ones are 15 eights are. Therefore, x is equal to 8. Therefore, x is equal to 8. This is the solution of the linear equations in one variable. This is the solution of the linear equations in one variable. Next, another one example is solve 3y is equal to 100. Okay, solve 3y is equal to 100. It is solved by divide both sides by 13. We get 13y is equal to 100. Divide 13 both sides by 13. 13 y divided by 13 is equal to 100 divided by 13. Therefore, 13 get cancelled. Okay, y is equal to 100 divided by 13. Therefore, y is equal to 100 divided by 13 is the solution of the given equation. It is very simple multiplication. Next one is solve 8x minus 3 is equal to 9 minus 2x. Okay, transfer the variable on one side and constant on other sides. According to this one, okay, 8x minus 3 is equal to 9 minus 2, 9 minus 2x, minus 2x transfer to the RHS to LHS. 8x plus 2x is equal to 9 plus 3, that is equal to 8x plus 2x is equal to 10x. 10x is equal to 12. Therefore, x is equal to 12 divided by 10. This reduces to x is equal to 6 by 5. X is equal to 6 divided by 5. X is equal to 6 divided by 5. Solve the equation 8x plus 9 is equal to 3 into x minus 1 plus 7. X minus 1 plus 7. The equation is 8x plus 9 is equal to 3x minus 3 plus 7 is equal to 3x plus 4. Okay, transposing, first to simplify this one, 8x plus 9 is equal to 3 into x, 3x plus into minus, 3 1 is 3 plus 7. Okay, again 8x plus 9 is equal to, okay, 3x, 7 minus 3 is equal to plus 4. Therefore, the equation is 8x plus 9 is equal to 3x plus 4. Okay, transposing 8x minus 3x is equal to 4 minus 9, or 5x is equal to minus 5, thus x is equal to minus 1. X is equal to minus 1. This is solution of this equation, x is equal to minus 1. Okay, this one is checked by this one, putting the value of x is equal to minus 1 in this equation. Therefore, LHS is equal to RHS. Therefore, x is equal to minus 1 is the solution of the given equations. Solution of the given equation. Students, last is homework. Okay, solve the following equations. X plus 3 is equal to 11. Y minus 9 is equal to 21. 10 is equal to z plus 3. Next, 3 by 11 plus x is equal to 9 by 11. 10x is equal to 30. S by 7 is equal to 4. 3x by 6 is equal to 10. 1.6 is equal to x divided by 1.5. 8x minus 8 is equal to 48. X by 3 plus 1 is equal to 7 by 15. X by 5 is equal to 12. Next one is 3x by 5 is equal to 15. Next one, 3 into x plus 6 is equal to 24. X by 4 minus 8 is equal to 1. 3 into x plus 2 minus 2 into x minus 1 is equal to 7. Solve the equations. 5x is equal to 3x plus 24. 8t plus 5 is equal to 2t minus 31. Similarly, 7x minus 10 is equal to 4x plus 11. 4z plus 3 is equal to 6 plus 2z. 2x minus 1 is equal to 14 minus x. 6x plus 1 is equal to 3 into x minus 1 plus 7. These are all the homework questions. Dear students, All of you solve these homework questions and send all of you answer in WhatsApp group. I will send the correct answer. Okay, today I will this finishing this class. Okay, remaining we will study in the next class. Thank you for one and all for watching this video.